Introducing Odor by GON. Say goodbye to unpleasant moldy smell each time you open your fridge. GON introducing Odor, an activated carbon-based refrigerator pad. Odor is antifungal, antibacterial and anti-odor, eliminate odors, and keeping your foods fresher and hygiene. Odor is lightweight refrigerator pad, non-woven fabric with activated carbon-based all-natural air purifying. For the refrigerator is the easiest way to maintain a fresh, dry and odor-free refrigerator, freezer, or cooler, all done in natural physical activated carbon adsorptions, chemical-free, and non-toxic. Odor great for use as a refrigerator, closet, car, bathroom deodorizer, and anywhere in your home or office. So what are you waiting for? Grab Odor now. Available at www.gon.co.in and Amazon and eBay.